Hey there Crimson Desert Gamers, and welcome back to another video. In this video today we are going to be looking at Fangs Caught at the Outpost, which is going to give us the quest for Torn Encirclement. The overview of this quest is that we need to defeat the enemies around Vilcom Outpost, as wolf trackers are now occupying it. So for this quest itself, the outpost is north of Powell. We come past Three Saints Falls here, up through Hook Rapids. There is a small trader here which has a shop if you need to vend or anything, and then further up the road we come to the occupied outpost. So when we come into the outpost itself, there are two buildings, the infirmary and the timber warehouse, that we need to destroy, and those can be destroyed by smashing down the walls that hold up the outpost themselves. And then we also need to kill a number of the guards until the health percentage on the left reaches 0. So as we approach the village, the first building that we want to destroy is on our right up here, and all you need to do to destroy it is come up to it and do a special attack against the wall to start bringing the walls down, like such. And as you can see there, now I only have the infirmary left to destroy because this building's now been removed, and it's towards the back of the camp. And once again, all you need to do is just continue to destroy the walls around it. Now once you've destroyed both the buildings, it's much easier to just finish off the rest of them at a distance by just hanging around on the outskirts and picking them off one by one. Don't forget to eat plenty of food to heal yourself up as you play before going back in for more pain. And then once you've finally killed enough, you should then get a cutscene. So there we have it, guys. The camp is now well and truly liberated, and if I show you the quest journal here, you can see that Fangs Caught at the Outpost is finished. So that sums it up for this video. I really hope that this helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really does help the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.